Hey guys, welcome back to another video from... oh shit, I forgot. Okay, never mind. Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back to watch another one of our videos. Today, I will bring you through how I do my edits and design on Adobe Photoshop. Just a little background. I will be actually doing and recording the screen of how I do one of my assignments for my master's course. So let's get to it! Right, so what I started off doing first was actually to trace out the shapes of the rhino and the cone to layer them on top of each other. Yep, then I added the dandelion on top, but after a while I decided that it didn't really go with the whole image, so I'm going to cut it out. And then there's also a banknote. I initially planned to put it at the back, however it didn't really suit the whole layout and composition that well, so I will move it later. I think the banknote looks better as the background or the foreground. Yep, I'm just playing around to get the right color. I want something bright. Yeah, and then I'm just adjusting the shadow to make sure that it fits with the whole picture. So I added some overlays to it for the shadow to help it fit into the whole composition more. That's me playing around with the colors again. Yep, and I decided to stick with orange and pink. Okay, I added a background. It's a picture of some shadow, is a picture of a shadow of some leaves. Nope, I decided that I don't like the colors of the banknote, so I'm changing it again. I think I'll go for something like pink and blue. Yeah, that works. Yeah, I'm changing the background again because I feel like the leaves doesn't suit the whole picture as well. Thank you so much for watching the whole video, or even part of the video if you skipped through it. Yeah, I hope you learned a little something, because I certainly learned a lot through this whole assignment. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you can. Thank you, and stay tuned for more of our videos.